Good morning students. Today we are going to see about cell division. Cell is dividing. One cell divides into 2, 2 divides into 4, 4 divides into 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, like that it divides. From our father one cell we have got, that is sperm. From our mother we got one cell, that is called egg. Now after union it is called a zygote. From that only we have got this much cells, millions of cells, trillions of cells. Let us see. Are you aware that all living organisms start their life from a single cell? Yes. You may wonder how a single cell then goes to form such a large organism. All cells reproduce by division, dividing. And the division of cells into daughter cells is called cell division. Types of cell division. The three types of cell division that occur in animal cells are A. Mitosis. It is otherwise called another one name direct division. Mitosis, indirect division. Meiosis, reduction division. A. Mitosis. It is the simplest mode of cell division and it occurs in unicellular animals, aging cells, and in fetal membranes. Where it occurs, unicellular animals such as amoeba, euglena, aging cells, aged cells. The cells, for example, red blood cell lifespan is 120 days. That 115 days cells is aging cells. And in fetal membranes, what is fetal? Fetus, when we were growing inside our mother uterus, that is called a fetal. Fetus. One small young one is developing inside the uterus, that stage is called a fetus. That time also. During amitosis, nucleus elongates first. We will see later in the picture. And a constriction, both sides of constriction appears in it, which deepens and divides the nucleus into two, followed by the cytoplasm divides, resulting in the formation of two daughter cells. You see this picture. First, nucleus inside nucleolus, cytoplasm is there. Now the both corner there is constriction. Third picture, that constriction deepens, inside the nucleus elongates. Finally, you see one nucleus becomes two nucleus. Now it is called a daughter cells. This is called a mitosis. Next topic is mitosis. It was first discovered by Fleming in 1879. In the cell division, one parent cell divides into two identical same daughter cells. For example, that mother cell has 46 chromosome, the daughter cells also will have 46 chromosome, each with a nucleus having same amount of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Who discovered DNA? Watson and Crick. And next, you see events of mitosis. Maternal, paternal. What is maternal? Maternal from mother DNA, paternal from father DNA. What is interphase? Resting stage. Everything cell only. Cell inside this kind of changes occurs. Prophase inside the ribbon-like structures are there. First picture there is a network-like structure, that is chromatin reticulum. Second picture there is a ribbon-like structures are there, that is chromosome. That this kind of stage is called prophase. Next one, metaphase. You see in this metaphase stage, astes, both the end there is one thread-like structures coming aster fibers that pulls the chromosomes equally above and below. Finally you see above also 4 chromosome, below also 4 chromosome is the telophase stage. See, the same number of chromosomes and genes as the parent cells. It is also called as equational division. Mitosis otherwise called a equational division. Mitosis consists of two events. They are karyokinesis. What is karyokinesis? Division of nucleus. Second one, cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm. Interphase. You can reading time you can see that picture also. It is easily understand. You can. It is the resting phase of the nucleus. It is the interval between two successive cell divisions. The cell prepares itself for the next cell division. Karyokinesis. The division of the nucleus into two daughter nuclei is called karyokinesis. It consists of four phases. They are prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Prophase. First. During this stage, chromosomes become short and thick and are clearly visible inside the nucleus. Centrosome splits into centrioles and occupy opposite poles. Opposite poles, there is a dot-like structure is there, that is centrioles. Each centriole is surrounded by aster rays, thread-like structure. Spindle fibers appears between the two centrioles. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappears gradually, slowly in this stage. Next, metaphase. Meta, after. The duplicated chromosomes arrange on the equatorial plane and form the metaphase plate. Each chromosome gets attached to a spindle fiber by its centromere. The centromere of each chromosome divides into two, each being associated with a chromatid. What is chromatid? That finger-like projections are there, inside the cell. That is called chromatid. Next one, anaphase. Ana, up, back. The centromeres attaching the two chromatids divide and the two daughter chromatids of each chromosome separate and migrate towards the two opposite poles. Telophase. What is the meaning? Tele, end. Actually, telophase, this is the end phase, last phase. Each chromatid or daughter chromosome lengthens, becomes thinner and turns into a network of chromatin threads. Spindle fibers break down and disappear. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus reappear in each daughter nucleus. Cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm. The division of the cytoplasm into two daughter cells by constriction of the cell membrane is called cytokinesis. You see this cell membrane, plasma, lemma, how it constricts. Okay. Significance of mitosis. Important question. Significance of mitosis. This equational division results in the production of diploid daughter cells. 2n. What is diploid cells? Diploid daughter cells, the complete set of chromosomes 2n of set of chromosome n. Okay, or haploid we can say, with equal distribution of genetic material. In multicellular organisms, growth, organ development and increase in body size are accomplished through the process of mitosis. We are growing, we are getting weight with the help of this process only. Mitosis helps in repair of damaged and wounded tissue by renewal of the lost cells. Okay, if we get any wound or any organ damage, with the help of mitosis cell division, we will get new cells there. Thank you, student.